Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. A woman trapped. Full story. Somewhere in a parish located south of Jamaica, a female who took abortion for a sport ended up being sick. One day while in the hospital, her brother brought her food. The same day a male stranger to the family also brought her food. It was obvious she knew this man because she put down her brother's food and started gobbling down the one the man brought her. After that, she got healed up after the surgery of the wound to the tomb and went home. A few days after, the man moved in with her. The house she lived in was built by a past relative of hers. An Obeah man lived in the same community, and the son of the Obeah man leaked information that the same man came to his father for something to put in the food he brought to her while she was in the hospital, to tie her. She was so entombed in this web of ungodliness that she held knife on her brother because of this man, and sighed with the man to disrespect her mother. She took care of this man and made him into somebody. She no longer could get pregnant, so the man went and have kids outside and constantly cheats on her. She knows about it and couldn't do anything. The Obeah maid relationship is now years old. This lady is still in need of prayers. If you are reading this and you are a prayer warrior, take a small second to pray for this lady and the bondage that she is in. One line of prayer with just the right amount of faith can travel any distance and move any mountain.
Like and follow for more.